I want so bad to be all like theatrical or whatever it is and say that I couldn't possibly be more excited, but I'm excited. And I don't normally show my excitement, but I'm excited. I'm so excited to see my wife finally working on these cabinets. She's doing her first outside cabinet job for a client, for a contractor, and she's good at it. She's good at it. You know, I'm not saying that she's a professional. She's self-taught. She's getting there, but as much as she complains and she stresses and she freaks out about it, she's good at it because she cares, because it's her product. And the reason I'm excited is because I'm sitting here, I'm just helping. I'm just her helper. And seeing it start to come together. And now she's gonna actually let me help her, which is a big truck. She's gonna have me start breaking down some of the wood, which I can very much run the tools. But like the one time that she asked me one time if I could do it without screwing up, I said, sure, no problem, and then I screwed it up. So anyway, I was just gonna show you real quick what it is, kind of a little sneak peek here, what this project is. This is going in the mudroom of the house. This is going to be a cubby system. So this will sit up on top of a bench. This will be where your coat hooks and your backpacks and stuff go. And then you're going to have a set of upper cabinets up here. This piece here is going to be your bottom. It's kind of hard to tell what it is because it's stood up, okay? But this is going to tip down and be a set of drawers. The bench will go right here on top. Set of drawers. It sits up off the floor 8 inches because they've got this great big trim that they're using. So I'm really excited to see, hopefully by the end of the day, we're gonna actually get to set this topper up on top of the base just to kind of start to get an idea of a vision, how it's going. But like I said, I'm excited. I'm so proud of her. I'm happy to see her do this. She did it in our whole house. She built every cabinet in our house. Everything, our stair treads, everything wood in our house except for the kitchen table, she's built. But and I say this with the most love, she struggles with self-confidence, and I don't understand why, because I always just think, hon, look at what you've done. Look at all this that you've done. But seeing her do this now, it's very much trial by fire. She just got thrown into it. This contractor said, hey, I need it, and tight deadline, no less, you know? So we're learning so much. We're learning, obviously, she underbid this job for sure. Hey, in the end, gonna make a couple bucks, gonna get her cabinets in someone else's house, her name, her product. That's huge. That's huge for us. So I'm excited. I've been waiting to make this video and give you guys a little sneak peek in the preview. She just went in the house to get a drink, so I had to make this while she's gone. But I'm getting the miter saw set up here. The blade's dull as crap on it, but it's gonna be okay because we're cutting the boards extra long so that she'll have space to take off. You know, they're only got to be 54 inches long, and I'm cutting at 58, so there's going to be lots of room for scorch marks or whatever. I've got to check the ends, make sure the ends aren't all checked and cracked out like that garbage there. Can you see it? Ooh! So I'll make sure that comes off. Got lots of extra to work with here, so we're okay. But yeah, anyway, like I said, I'm excited. I'm excited that she's letting me help, and I'm really excited to show you guys this process as it all goes together and as we get it installed in the house. This is huge for us.